squishy so fun. I made an owl. It's so cute. I miss the beak. And she made that.
My sister, her sister, me, I made that squishy. I made most squishies, but
Oh my god, I don't like the ads. They're embarrassing for video.
Whoops. Okay.
And
I made this one because
my sister Cora made this.
Because I love the color purple.
Yeah, so
Thanks so much.
she also made this donut unicorn.
Yup. So cute. I also.
And I made this cake.
Yeah.
It's so yummy. No.
I also made.
That!
I made the burger.
She also made this.
Yeah, I made it. No,
It's
I did
nice.
not. Did I? No, you did this.
Oh, actually, I did this. Sorry.
We get confused with
Oh my god, this is so embarrassing.
At least they can see what they can download. Anyways, so yeah, I also I made the burger.
Yeah, the burger is stupid.
This was her first squishy ever. Right here.
My first squishy ever.
A strawberry.
Yeah.
Oh, look at the penguin. Who made the penguin? I made this llama. Yeah,
you missed the bow. You missed the bow.
yeah, the bow right here.
And the ears.
And the ears. Yeah, I forgot that.
So today we are going to make a new squishy for our squishy collection.
Oh, we should make the ninja.
No.
Cactus.
No.
Pumpkin.
No. No.
Star.
No.
Penguin.
No. That.
What? Ooh, I used to have this squishy in real life, guys.
Yeah.
But I lost it.
Yeah, for no reason.
Okay, wait, now we have to do this.
Ew, it's not shiny.
Right there, this is a shiny color.
No.
Bruh. That's my favorite word. Bruh.
Yeah, you always say that, you idiot.
Why are you making it pink?
Hey, be quiet. I want to be simple.
Bruh.
What?
No, you should do purple. The purple's like
I'm concentrating.
Bruh. You know
That's
what?
perfect.
That's perfect.
I'm just kidding. No, it's ugly.
Oh, that's perfect.
Ew, it's ugly. Ew, it's ugly. Ew, it's pretty.
You just said, ew, it's pretty.
Yeah, I did that on purpose. Perfect.
Perfect.
Where is it?
The bow should be red.
I'm doing something.
Bruh.
Shh. Doing something.
Bruh.
Shh.
Bruh.
Something.
Bruh.
Shh. Doing something. Shh. Doing something. Shh. Doing something. She's annoying. Shh. I'm doing something. Shh.
I didn't even say anything. That was me, guys. Don't worry. Okay. Let me talk to the camera. Bruh. Fine. Bruh. Bruh.
Ew, it's ugly.
What is it?
Ew, it's ugly.
Ew, it's like.
Ew, it's ugly.
It looks a little Pacific.
I'm doing something. Shh, I'm doing
I
something.
didn't even say anything.
Shh, I'm doing something.
What?
Bam, 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 bam. Bam, 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 bam. Bam, bam, bam. Da-da.
Oh, that's pretty cute.
Ew, it's ugly.
You did that, not me.
You actually did it. You made me do that.
I did not even.
I'm doing something.
You said.
I'm doing something. Wait, what the?
It looks
I did that. I did that on accident.
It looks possessive.
Shh. I'm doing something. Shh. I'm
I'm doing something. Okay. I'm doing something. I'm doing something.
I didn't say anything.
I'm doing something.
Sorry about that, guys.
I'm doing something.
The phone rings when there's a new
I'm doing
message.
something. I'm doing something. I'm doing something.
Hi.
I'm doing something. I'm doing something.
I think
I'm doing something.
the camera's getting annoyed by you.
You know that? I'm doing. I'm doing something. I'm doing something.
Bruh.
I'm doing something. Ta-da! Da-da-da-ba-da-ba!
What about the face?
I know. I'm doing something. And now with the head is itchy.
It's not my head. It's my
Ew!
ew. It's my eye head.
I'm doing something. I'm doing something.
Oh, you want pink skin?
I'm doing something.
I think it should be white.
I'm doing something.
That's good. I think it should be white.
I'm doing something. I'm doing something. Where?
It's right there.
I don't
Look.
see it.
Look.
Where is it?
Keep going.
Oh! I'm doing something.
That's pretty.
I'm doing something.
Ooh, how did you know there was cheeks on it though?
I saw.
Oh, this is so.
I'm doing something. I'm doing something.
The hand.
I'm doing something. Perfect.
Okay, we're done. What are you gonna name it?
Name it yourself.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna name it cotton candy.
And candy reindeer. I mean, whatever it's.
Okay. Candy.
Cotton
candy.
reindeer.
Wait. What?
The nose.
Cotton candy crusher.
Hey. Oh wait, the nose still in there.
You can do it again if you forget.
No.
Oh, guys, look at it. ASMR, guys.
I'm doing something.
Stop it. You're killing the little
Okay,
reindeer.
guys, that will be it for today's video.
Yeah, so thanks. Sorry about the background noise. Bye.
Bye.
You have to press that one.